I'm going to install these battery-powered reading lights either side of the bed, and I'm going to use Fischer's DuoPower to do it, as it knots behind the plasterboard to keep it safely in place. The light comes with this plate that goes onto the wall. I use a pencil to mark where I want the holes to go, and then the light slides on top. So we don't even need to do any electrics. I'm going to measure either side of the headboard to make sure that they are at the same height either side. And I'll be placing this just wherever I think looks nice. I'll take the mounting plate and I'm just marking on the wall where I want the holes to go. I even have a mini level measure to make sure that it's straight. I'm using a size 6 bit, as that's the same size as my fixings. To mount the plate, I'm going to use the TX20 bit, as that's the right one for this screw. That is nice and secure. And the final step is to just slide the light onto the plate. Ta-da! Now for the other side.